Good morning, everybody. Late night breaking. Got this 2021 blaster that we can get into. Try and give you guys some eye candy. Not really sure that works. But we're not going to worry about that. We're going to kind of look at these cards. Yep, I'm sure I'll sleep once I hit the pillow. I didn't feel like I got anything too exciting on my earlier breaks today of the fat pack and the hanger box. So that, and we got coupons in this one, so if I get up in the morning and go find some, maybe I can use a coupon. Oh well, I'm already getting excited, so I'll have me a little 3-hour nap, and then I'll run up to Target and see if everybody's hanging out. Alright, what do I got in there? 7 packs plus 121 Topps 70th anniversary patch card. Yeah, no wonder I didn't get one of them cards, because I didn't open up a blaster today. Alright, let's see what our coupons are. Alright, boy. Supposed to be what, 10 bucks worth of coupons. Let's see what we got. Purchase of 3 packs of $1.50 off of 3 packs of 2021 Topps baseball. Okay. Expires. Well, it's good all year, huh? Alrighty then. Purchase 1 fat pack and get $1 off. Well, I could have worked that today. Ooh, another fat pack. Oh, that's Big League there. Okay, $1 off the Big League. And that expires 10/31. Why do them expire sooner? You'd think them would. That's not even out yet, whereas baseball's already out and that expires at the end of the year. Okay. Is this Series 2 or no? It's Series 1. Okay. Alright. I'm going to make a whole video about this coupon. It's going to be exciting. Purchase 1 fat pack. Heritage. Alright. Wish it told you when they started, but I guess they never know when they're going to release this stuff. 3 packs of 2021 Series 2. Value box. Oh, I don't got a value box coupon for Series 1. Or a 10. $2.50 off of 1 value box of Gypsy Queen, and 3 packs of 2021 stickers. Oh, them stickers have cards in them, though, believe it or not, or at least that's what I've seen in videos. I guess I better take this with me tomorrow morning, but I think that's the only one I'll be able to use. Well, that one or the fat pack one. So, I better stick that in my wallet, my George Costanza wallet. One exclusive. There it is. There's the excitement. I feel it building already. I like Just Rip It, boy. He's got all sorts of sound effects on all the time. Old Charlie's got it going on. These aren't the NBA hoops. Premium stock packs, that's for sure. Those things almost open themselves. Alright. Get my glasses on. Got the small names. Alright, Kyle Sager. Oh, there it goes. Alright. There's number one. Number one yawn there. Hopefully that's it. Max Stassi. Should be able to make it through this box without yawning again, I hope. Feel the excitement building. Cody Bellinger, Dodgers. J.D. Davis, New York. I seen where Tim Tebow retired. That bums me out. I was hoping to see him play, even if just, you know, for half a season. Oh boy. Shoot. Jose Urena, Marlins. There's 2 yawns. I'm not even through the first pack. That's terrible. Ian Anderson, rookie, Atlanta Braves. Supposed to be one of the good ones, isn't it? 3-2 with a 1.95 ERA. I'm not going to read because I'm not sure how much alert time I got left in me. I still want to play Battlefield Bad Company 1 before I go to bed. Or Battlefield 1. Yeah, I like Bad Company. That's a good one. Uh-oh. Man, I should have just waited on this video till morning. Should just wait on these packs, but we're not going to do that. We're going to struggle through it. David Dahl. Seen that shiny card maybe though. Oh, I see a ding corner is what I see right off the get-go. I didn't do it. I didn't drop it this time. I don't think I banged around the box very much, so I must have banged him up on the shelf. Or Oliver Perez, Cleveland Indians. James Caprillan, Oakland Athletics. What is that? Oh man, look at that. You guys see that? I'm thinking this box got thrown across the room. I didn't do it. I know I told you I was throwing mail all day, but that wasn't me. Yeah, I'm gonna have to save up some cards and send them into Tops to get some different ones. I hate doing that 'cause I hate anything that I have to mail in. I like selling stuff on eBay, but I don't really like the shipping aspect of it. As long as my printer's got ink and doing what it's supposed to do, I'm content. But I got these new labels I'm going to have to print out if I sell anything. If I sell it, them eBay standard envelope to where I can ship out like a 3-ounce package. Clayton Kershaw. Nice looking Clayton, but boy, it's got some roller damage or whatever on there. You can feel the where the roller went over it. Man, I'm getting my butt kicked on this box so far. Maybe I should just call it quits and give it up. I think I've yawned like 4 times. I'm gonna get a drink of dew or something. Austin Hayes. Robbie Ray. Getting old. Do it for the fans. Oh, I got that one already, I think. If not, either that or they're doing a series of them. But I was thinking it was White Sox, so I got earlier. And these are fat packs here. What that girthy pack had in it? 40? Yeah, those were 40. These are 14. What did I get in here? Austin Riley. Braves. Michael Taylor, Nationals. Okay, I gotta get a drink of dew. I'm gonna set them right there so you can see them. That's where we left off. I need a 5-hour energy or something. Really needs a nap. Geo Ursula. Francisco Mejia. Manny Machado. Juan Soto. Detroit Tigers. Alright, we're going into dreamland. If I start drifting, you'll know why. Josh Harrison. Stars in service. Anthony Rizzo. Garrett Cole. New York Yankees. Is this that one? Ryan Mountcastle. At the time, I think Jabs was saying that the base card goes for about 5 so far. Carlos Correa. Daniel Murphy. Boy, he's opened a lot of 2021, I think, so far. I think he's ripping into... Man, are these cards... The cards look fine, but then you turn them around in the light or something and you shine the light on that corner, it's like man, the white corners hide some of the imperfections. It's kind of like, whoa, if you see it on a certain glare, like this card looks fine, but some of them you notice the corners like just a tiny little ding in it or something, whereas you didn't notice it if you're, if you don't look too close, you might miss it. But I just think it's the card stock is really thin. And did I go through all them cards? Or am I falling asleep? Yeah, we got through them. Okay. Good thing there's only 7 packs, and we're down to this number 5. Plus we got the special one. Yeah, for some reason I was thinking I opened a blast earlier today, but I didn't. Should be able to get a fat pack, I would think, tomorrow, if he stocks. Everybody will probably be up there for football and basketball, and I'm sure a couple of them probably they'll probably get all. Target, supposedly they put up signs in their store, and I seen it at both stores today, where he's limiting 3 items or whatever, like items or whatever. So it's kind of however you wanted to interpret it. It's like you could, get just 3 sports boxes all together, or 3 fat packs, 3 blasters, and 3 hanger boxes, So Andy Dobniak. But boy, they have that guy come in there and stock the shelf, and they can make the store's sales within about 15 minutes. And they could probably have more sales than they will up until noon. There's Brinson Marlins, Whit Merrifield, Royals. Looks like I got a fancy one coming up here. Julio Gurriel. Ian Kennedy. League leaders, Shane Bieber. Buttons up, mask up. Sunny gray, that's a nice looking one. Doesn't look like there's any dings or anything there. So, I'm starting to think I was going to have to worry it. Yeah, boy, is every one of these cards like that? That one's got kind of, you can feel the, or every one of that style of card got them little indentions. This one's got them too, you can see them on that one. I was thinking I got another one too. Check it real quick. Yeah, Clayton Kershaw. Yeah, that's got them too. So I wonder if every one of them's like that. Yeah, I didn't notice them on the ones I got earlier today. And then of course that one. Yeehaw. The silver, whatever, with the totally bad edge. That card's destroyed. You'd have to just be a fan and deal with it, you know. Put it in top loader and stuff, it'd hide most of that, but still. You ain't gonna be able to get it PSA graded or anything. Yeah, that sucks. Anyway, finish this pack here. Nico. David Peterson. Mets. Anderson Tejada. Keibert Ruiz. Yeah, probably 5 minutes of the video is probably me looking at them coupons. But I was sharing with you guys, letting you know what's in the box. Letting you know, hurry up, buy the blaster first. Thing is, when you're at the store, you pretty much gotta buy it all at once, you know. So hopefully just remember to take your coupons next time, though. Yeah, it's not like you could go buy a blaster, run out to your car, rip it, and get the coupons, go back in and buy some, because by the time you got back in there, they'd be gone. Charlie Morton. Matt Chapman. So all these cardboard ninjas, they get in the stores and they snag up the cards. Future stars, Brendan McKay. Tyler Chatwood. Got an 86 Topps coming up. Ronald Acuna Jr. I used to have like about 6 of these boxes of these things. And then they got stolen. I'm not even sure if I got one now. That's bummed me out. And I should have bought them when they was cheap again to replace them. But yeah, I'm sure they're probably at least 25 or 30 bucks a box now. I haven't looked at the price of them lately. Nice trout, but it's still got them kind of the roller marks on the card. I don't know if you guys probably see a little bit of that in the video. Kind of see the straight parallel lines going through there if I shine the light on it. I don't know if you can see that. Anyway, it don't matter. It's there, but the card still looks good. And they're not, I don't know, you can feel it, but they're not, you know, it's just, you know, the only way you see it is it's kind of in the light, and then you feel it, but Anyway, apparently it's on all of them. And there's another rough corner I got. Oh, please don't be a... Okay, good. It's Votto. Yeah, I don't care. Make a paper airplane out of the Votto. I don't care about Votto. He's alright, but to me, I think he probably thinks he's... to me, he just don't seem like he appreciates the fans. But I guess he don't have to worry about that now since he don't have any fans to play in front of. He just goes out there and makes his money. Michael Fulton. That's a lot of them. A lot of them probably don't care about the fans. They probably just, you know, like, oh, heck, we're still getting paid. Jordan Alvarez. Yeah, I can't agree that anybody's worth that that type of millions. But entertainers. That's what. Yeah, totally live in the limelight all the time, though. Brandon Kinsler. Garrett Cole. Mitch Keller. Yeah, boy, I don't even know if I'll have the energy to put them. I think I'm going to put the cards down after this box and have to sleeve and sort them tomorrow morning after I get home from Target. Figure out what I can put on eBay. Another busy day tomorrow. I don't know if I'll do any videos. Probably won't do any videos tomorrow. I'm about videoed out. I'm not thirsty. I'll have to wait till I get thirsty for the attention again. And maybe I'll shoot a video of whatever I find tomorrow, if I find anything, or if I just get a gallon of milk and call it a day. Oh, Jacob Degrom. Jock Peterson. Could go to the grocery store, but I don't feel like taking back my cans. Chances are they're probably not even taking them back. Probably playing games with them. You know, it's like, oh, we'll charge you a deposit, but yeah, we don't want to give you back any money for them. And we don't have a spot to put them. Jorge Soler. Ooh, that's a good one. I like that. Ooh, home run challenge for the Royals. I thought that was meant to be. So now I got to scratch that off and pick what day I think he's going to hit his home run. But don't pick too soon because you don't even know the season's started yet. So I'd wait till you figure out the season's actually going to start. But J.D. Martinez. Ooh, I better hurry up. That's going to be a half an hour and the phone's going to start getting crazy. Nick Heath. I think I got 30 minutes. We got about 5 minutes. We got 2 packs plus that special pack. Tristan McKenzie. Shohei Ohtani. That dew must have kicked in because I haven't yawned here in the last couple minutes. I should just save one of these packs, but we'll go for it. Trying to run right up to 30 minutes if I have to. Yeah, I wasted too much time on them coupons, apparently. Kyle Lewis. That's a nice looking card. Jumping up there, getting the catch. Wonder how high up he is. They don't show the ground. Stephen Bort. You have to figure out where he was and measure the wall. Trey Turner. Jorge Alero, Marlins. Card's got a little slickness to him. Kevin Gausman, Giants. Nationals, Max Scherzer. Hernandez. And then some of them paper cardboard deals. Be cool if you had one of them in the front row and your face was on a card. Now that'd be worth $100 for a cardboard cutout. If you knew you was on a Topps card that way. Jacob Degrom. But chances of you getting in the front row, I doubt that happening. Cody Bellinger. Yeah, I like them cards, but man, they're all like that. They'll got that little roller line. Where's their quality control at? And there's another dinged corner there. Bo Bichette. Man, yeah, I'm going to have to send these in because you almost want to send these in, but then they send you some more back just the same way. They'd be like, what are you doing? Jacob Junis. That Degrom was kind of neat. What year Topps was that? Can't remember. Heimer Caliendo. Ryan Castellano. Colorado Rockies. Okay, we're going to change things up here real quick just in case the video cuts out. So we'll at least get... We'll throw everybody off by doing this here exclusive card first. And then we'll have one more pack to rip into. Ooh, looks like we got Reds. Somebody said these are the McDonald's ashtrays. Joe Morgan. Still pretty nice looking. Alright, that was that. I'll probably put that in one touch or have to get a fat sleeve for it, that's for sure. Alright, let's get some Royals. 1, 2, 3. Bo Burrows on the back. I think that's a good one, wasn't it? Or am I thinking of... No, I think I'm thinking football. I think I'm thinking Joe Burrows. Matt Olson. A's. Another Athletics. Sean Minea. Almost had like a holiday flashbacks thinking he was throwing a snowball there for a second. Untitled Chapter. Yeah, I went to Walmart tonight. Had to swing in there. I was hoping to find some of that holiday. Got to complete my set. I think I'm down to about 10 cards I need. Lorenzo Cain. Jonathan Daza. But I just soon open another box instead of buying them because I figure I'd have a good chance of getting an insert that I haven't gotten. You know, like a patch card or something that I don't have yet. An attendee. John Gray. Chadwick Tromp. That's a rookie. Elbows only. Josh Donaldson. That's an insert set I could do without. Some stupid little corny. DJ LeMahieu. This box was kind of a sleeper, but at least we finished with the Royals. Finished strong again. Chris Bubik. Rookie card. Good deal. Yeah, I think they said it's kind of like a Donruss design, but since I don't collect Panini, I kind of missed that. But I think they're probably right. Can't remember what year, but yeah. Still decent looking card. I'm sure it won't stop people from buying the Chrome. Thanks for watching, everybody. You have a good night, and maybe see you at Target in the morning.